Once again, welcome to the LA Auto Show, and we have here the all-new BMW M8 Gran Coupe. We've seen the first edition M8 Gran Coupe earlier, but this is just the standard model in a competition, guys. And we'll just do a quick walk around. So once again, typical Gran Coupe proportions. It's based on the M8 Coupe, but it has 2 additional doors, so it's quite practical. I expect the M8 Gran Coupe to be the better seller in the M8 family, as well as the 8 Series Gran Coupe in its 8 Series family. And once again, this is a great 3/4 view of the car. And if you go in the back, see the wide hips on the car. The rear fenders are quite spread out, so extremely sporty. Also comes with a trunk spoiler. And here is the side view of the car as well. Kind of see the proportions here. It also comes with the carbon ceramic brakes, yellow calipers. That's an option on the M8. Let's take a look inside as well. See if it's open. It's closed right now. Once again, guys, this is the BMW M8 Gran Coupe competition. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our videos and stay tuned for more.